channel. Today I have my February Birchbox unboxing to share with you. Let's go ahead and see what we got. Here's what the box looks like this month. Pink for Valentine's Day. And the card says follow your heart and has all different types of things you can do. It says whatever brings you joy in life, love, or work, we hope that this month's box inspires you to follow your heart. The first thing that I see is Love, Beauty, and Planet Coconut Water and Mimosa Flower Volume and Beauty Shampoo. It says body and strength for fine hair and acts of love for our planet. It's a 3 fluid ounce, which is a good size. It says the full size is $9, so that's not bad. It says your hair will be bouncy and soft after washing with this color-safe, paraben and silicone-free shampoo. Plus the heavenly mimosa flower scent leaves strand smelling divine. I could definitely use this. Hopefully it works good because I surely do have fine thin hair that could use somebody. Wow, and it does smell good. Ooh, I have a feeling I'm going to really like that. And then they also gave us the conditioner that goes to it. And it's the same 3 fluid ounce. And it says that's $9 as well. It says this paraben and silicone free conditioner's coconut water formula lightly hydrates hair throughout without weighing it down. After shampooing, apply from mid-lengths to ends, then rinse. And then next we have by Balance Me their Wonder Eye Cream. It's a 7 milliliter. And I have gotten this before and I really like it, so I'm glad I got another one. I've been using it every night and it has helped quite a bit. It says the full size is $29. Brightens eyes and banish under eye circles with this botanical formula. Its ingredients, including coconut, rosehip, and carrot oils, are 99% natural. And then next we have by MAC Cosmetics their In Extreme Dimension 3D Black Lash. Says the full size is $23. Want lashes that are as dimensional as you are? Swipe on this clump-free carbon black mascara that lengthens, conditions, and defines every lash. I've gotten a MAC mascara in one of my subscription boxes before that came in a similar packaging, but I think it was different. I may be wrong. Let's see what the wand looks like. It does have a nice wand. Lots of spikes on it so that it'll grab all of your lashes. So I'm excited to give that a try. And then the last thing that we got is a Smashbox Always On Gel Liner in the shade Fishnet, which looks like it's just black. Give it a swatch here. Very soft. I think I've gotten that in a subscription as well. That's the thing with the subscriptions. If you're subscribed to multiples, a lot of times you will get repeats. But I really don't mind it, especially if it's something like that you can always use, a black eyeliner, you know, an eye cream, something like that. So, not that big of a deal. It says that the full size is $18. Glide this creamy gel pencil along your lash line for a saturated color that stays put all day. Apply using short, gentle strokes for precise definition, or smudge for a smoky look. And that's all I got in this month's box, guys. Leave me a comment below and let me know what you got. If you're not subscribed to Birchbox already, I'll have a link below so you can if you're interested. It is just $10 a month. Hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed the video. Hit subscribe before you leave if you haven't already. And thanks for watching. Bye.